My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Well, not a sneaker pickup, but it is a sneaker review, or early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, so as you see, I'm already dressed. I'm on my way to location not disclosed. I'm giving y'all another early sneaker review. I've been hitting y'all over the head top with these early sneaker reviews lately. So this drops next week if I'm not mistaken. So don't really see too many people talking about it, but the silhouette, I'm not surprised. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to give y'all an early sneaker review. I'm going to be there in about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to hit y'all back. And then I'm going to come back, give y'all some information off of Nice Kicks or Kicks on Fire or Sneaker News, wherever I go at. So stay tuned for that. And let's get to this early sneaker review. All right, as you can see right here, we got the black box with the gray Jordan letters. Jumpman right there. It's black all the way around. Nothing really special. But description reads, Air Jordan 8 Retro Winter. Color, let us zoom in real quick. Black, Gunsmoke, metallic silver, size 8.5. You know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Even though I'm probably not going to buy this shoe. White, standard white tissue paper. Nothing special about this at all. And here we go to shoe. We got it right here, the Air Jordan 8. I think it was called Winterized, something like that. I mean, they got a couple winter shoes like the 5s. I think some 3s came out, some 4s maybe. Could be wrong like that. Let me place this box up like this. All right, so look, right off back, you see it. You see it. What y'all think about this? I mean, I'm not really feeling it. It's an Air Jordan 8. And you know how I feel about all Jordan 8s. And if you don't know, I'm just not really feeling it. But Air Jordan 8 Winter. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 8 Winter. I'm sure it is Winterized, or I'm sure it's a different name for this. I'll find out later. Right off the back, you see there's an all black upper. Got that little gray and white on the bottom and going through the shoe. See that Jumpman right there on the top. What we got? You got the Air Jordan right here in gray on the little strap. I think it's nubuck. It might be suede. I'm not too sure. I think it's nubuck. I'm leaning more towards nubuck. Black laces. See the 23 on the X strap right there. Got the little fur logo right there. The Jumpman in black and gray. Inside is that Winterized because that's more for cold weather. So it's more cushion in there. Air Jordan on this gray strap on this side. Right there. Got the gray on the midsole. Black and gray. Got the black pull tab right here, and I mean it's pretty basic shoe. I mean, yeah, the all black bottom, outer sole. It's not really special about it. It's a Jordan 8 and it's black and gray. I don't really know what more I can say. Nothing else on the other shoes. Both the same, no extra laces, of course, because why would they have extra laces with this? It's just an all black nubuck, maybe suede shoe with hints of gray, which I'm assuming is the Gunsmoke they was talking about. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Black box, like I said, I do like this box, but about to head back to the crib and give y'all some real information so I can really tell you more about this shoe. So y'all let me know if y'all like the shoe though, from this little quick little review of it. So let me know if it's a pickup for y'all. Let's head back to the place so I can get some information. Okay, we back at the house. All right, that was something I did different. It was super loud at the location I was at. So that's why the video I gave y'all with the actual shoe, it had my voiceover with it. I did a voiceover once I came back home.
I put the voice with it, so hopefully it matches up with everything. But I was trying to talk over, but between music and then other people talking, it was like extremely loud. So I was like, I'm not gonna do it. So I did a voiceover. So got some information for y'all. This is off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. 2, 1. It's gonna be right there, right next to me, and they're not just called a winterized. These are called the Winter Gunsmoke. So that's the actual name for this shoe. So it says, with the original playoffs colorway officially returned at the end of September, and this must be this might be an old article. They talking about the playoffs. The playoffs been out. Okay, the Air Jordan 8 could be the next retro to pace Jordan Brand's footwear offering for the next few seasons. Luckily, you won't have to wait much longer for the next AJ8 to hit stores because a season-ready iteration will be ready at the end of November. This Air Jordan 8 Winter comes equipped with beefed-up material designed to battle the colder, inclement weather, featuring a full black upper, metallic silver accents on the midsole and ankle straps, and Gunsmoke hits on the mudguards and outsole. The Air Jordan 8 is less an in-game shoe and more a cold climate style option, as it may specifically to battle those harsher conditions, as it features a thicker lining on the interior. And these are set to release November 27th. So like I said, this is an early sneaker review. These drop next week, and they're $210. So yeah, retail price is $210. So there you go, right there. I'm definitely passing on the shoe. If it's not the Bugs Bunnies or the playoffs, I'm not really a fan of the 8s like that. It's a bulky shoe. I have the Rui Hachimura, I think that's even what I'm saying. He played for the Lakers. I have his Jordan 8s, but just because that was like a play exclusive, and I like the colors like brown, but not really a fan of anything. All right, you don't gotta worry about it. If you walk into the camera, Classy tried to move the camera because the cat jumped on my bed. Come on. He tried to hold on to my bed. Come on. I got it. There we go. All right, there we go. Anyway, sorry about that. I'm definitely passing on this shoe. Not only is it just all black and a little bit silver, a little bit gray, it's a Jordan 8. Not really a fan. 1 to 10, probably gonna give it a 4 like that. So I'm not really a fan of 8s, like I said. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all gonna cop it or drop it when it's dropped in stores next week. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram on description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, yours, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.